Hey y'all, so this should be a pretty quick video that will show how to use the array, well the mirror and then the array command in AutoCAD. So for instance, if we were trying to create a heart like this, we could use the mirror command, and if we were trying to create a gear like this, we could use that on some of these object lines to create, we could use the array command to create that shape down here. So let me just show this quickly. So the mirror command is right up here. It is in the modify. Both of these are in the modify panel. We have mirror and array. As y'all might know, I like to use the keyboard shortcuts. So mirror, if we hover over this, we see if we type in mirror. If I just start typing MI, I get the mirror command, or I could click the button. This first says, hey, select some object. So I'm going to select the objects that I am going to mirror, and then I'm going to hit enter. And then it asks me to specify the first point of the mirror line. So we're going to actually draw the line for this mirror. So I'll pick a starting point and an ending point. And it asks if I want to erase the source objects. I'm going to say no, I do not want to erase them. And that gives me the full heart shape here that I am looking for. Moving over here to use the array command. This one will probably be on rectangular array by default. That's why I changed it back. So you may want to pick polar array. You can alternately also just type AR, and that usually gets you to the array. Once you hit enter here, you could either pick array polar there, or you can hit enter. Wait, AR. Oh, that's odd. Oh, yeah, if you choose to do it this way, you pick the objects you want to array first, and then when you hit enter, it'll ask, do you want rectangular, path, or polar? And you could say polar at that point. So it's your choice. I'll do it from the keyboard shortcut up here. So I'm just going to say, or from the menu command, I'm going to say polar array. It says, hey, pick the objects. So I'm going to pick just these two objects because that's the only thing that I want to create a circular array of. I'll hit enter, and it says, hey, pick the center point. So I'm going to pick this as the center point. And it's going to start creating that shape, and then I can modify up here. There are options for typing in down here if you want, but it is truly easier to just go in the menu up here at the top. And I just know that I have these, this is a 30-degree tooth to this gear, so that means 30 degrees would be another 30 degrees. It basically looks like a clock, so that means I'm going to ultimately have 12 of these. So if I hit enter now, it's going to add in the rest of those. And I want to leave everything else the same. I do want associative. That lets me come back and change things later. And I'll click close array. And now I have all those teeth there. I could erase my construction lines and generate my side view like I've done up at the top. So that's just kind of the quick demo there. So hope this helps you all out. And let me know if you have questions.